This is Akashvani. The news read by Subha Kaul. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said government's topmost priority is to ensure that the poorest of the poor receive best medical treatment. He said crores of people are benefiting from free medical treatment under the Ayushman Bharat scheme. The Prime Minister was speaking after laying the foundation stone of Madhav Netralay Premium Centre at Nagpur in Maharashtra today.
आयुष्मान भारत के कारण आज करोड़ों लोगों को मुफ्त इलाज की सुविधा मिल रही है। हजारों जन औषधि केंद्र देश के गरीबों को, मध्यम वर्गीय परिवारों को सस्ती दवाएं दे रहे हैं।
Further emphasizing the government's focus on healthcare, the Prime Minister added that the number of medical colleges and All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS across the country has doubled in recent years, with medical seats increasing threefold. Mr. Modi said Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS volunteers are working selflessly in various spheres and parts of the country. He highlighted their disciplined efforts during disaster management, comparing them to soldiers in the field. The Prime Minister also highlighted the contributions of RSS founders Dr. Keshav Hedgewar and Madhav Rao Govilkar in inspiring the national spirit in India. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari and Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis were also present on the occasion. Later in the day, the Prime Minister will inaugurate the loitering munition testing range and runway facility for UAVs at Solar Defence and Aerospace Limited in the city. Earlier, Mr. Modi visited Diksha Bhumi and paid homage to the chief architect of the Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Diksha Bhumi is the place where Baba Saheb Ambedkar embraced Buddhism along with his followers in 1956. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today highlighted the challenge of textile waste, saying that it has become a major cause of worry for the entire world. Addressing the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani, Mr. Modi expressed concern over a finding that only less than 1% of textile waste is recycled into new clothes. He said India is the third country in the world where the maximum textile waste is generated.
हमारे देश में इस चुनौती से निपटने के लिए कई सराहनीय प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं। कई भारतीय स्टार्टअप्स ने टेक्सटाइल रिकवरी फैसिलिटीज पर काम शुरू किया है। वे पुराने कपड़ों और जूते चप्पलों को रिसाइकल कर जरूरतमंदों तक पहुंचाते हैं। कुछ संस्थाएं पुराने कपड़े लेकर उसे दोबारा उपयोग करने लायक बनाती हैं और गरीबों तक पहुंचाती हैं।
Speaking about water harvesting, the Prime Minister said, as soon as summer approaches, preparations for saving water begins in many cities and villages. He expressed satisfaction that works related to water harvesting and water conservation have gained new momentum in many states. Mr. Modi further stated that like every year, preparations have been made on a war footing for Catch the Rain campaign this year as well.
जल संरक्षण से ज्यादा लोगों को जोड़ने के लिए जल संचय जन भागीदारी अभियान भी चलाया जा रहा है। प्रयास यही है कि जो प्राकृतिक संसाधन हमें मिले हैं उसे हमें अगली पीढ़ी तक सही सलामत पहुंचाना है। साथियों, बारिश की बूंदों को संरक्षित करके हम बहुत सारा पानी बर्बाद होने से बचा सकते हैं।
In this edition of Mann Ki Baat, the Prime Minister advised students to take up a hobby and do constructive things during their summer vacations. Mr. Modi asked organizations, schools and social institutions organizing such summer activities to share their programs with the hashtag #MyHolidays. On the recently concluded Khelo India Para Games, the Prime Minister lauded the players for their dedication and talent. The traditional New Year festivals of Chaitra Shukladi, Ugadi, Gudi Padwa, Cheti Chand, Navre and Sajibu Chairoba are being celebrated in different parts of the country today. The day also marks the beginning of Chaitra Navratri. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended greetings to the people on the occasion. In IPL cricket, in today's fixtures, Delhi Capital will face Sunrisers Hyderabad in Visakhapatnam at 3:30 p.m, while Rajasthan Royals will take on Chennai Super Kings in Guwahati at 7:30 p.m. And that is the end of this news bulletin.